Hey everyone! Welcome back to World Touch Zone 120. Listen carefully, today's video has a hidden secret code inside, and I'm also choosing a few lucky viewers to receive gifts directly in-game. So make sure to comment your Roblox username below, because you might be one of the winners. Now, if you play 99 Night in the Forest, you already know how intense and challenging this game can be. That's why today's video is super important, because we're talking about the latest and most updated code information that can help you survive longer and progress faster. No boring stuff, just helpful tips, updates, and everything you must know before using any codes. Recently, the developers made several changes to the game, and because of that, many players are confused about which codes are working and which ones aren't. Some codes expired, some were refreshed, and a few new ones are active but only for a limited time. A lot of players are saying things like, "Why are my codes not giving rewards? Why do some codes work for others but not for me?" Well, that usually happens when the game gets new events, balance updates, or system resets. So it's really important to understand how the code system works, and that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. I'll explain how you can maximize your rewards, why certain codes fail, and how to avoid common mistakes that many players make. This video will help you get the best value from every redeem session. And remember, somewhere in this video, there is a hidden secret code. Only the viewers who stay until the end will catch it. So don't skip, because you'll miss the most important part. If you try redeeming later and any code still doesn't work for you, just leave your Roblox username in the comments. I will personally check your account status, and I will also gift a few random viewers in the game. So don't forget. Username in the com.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands.